start.
What we're going to talk about is Omron PLCs. So, to understand Omron PLC, we definitely have to understand numbering systems, addressing in PLC, ladder logic, communications, downloading, monitoring, and uploading procedures. So, what we're going to do is we're going to touch on numbering systems. As for numbering systems in computers, we have decimal, hexadecimal, and binary. So, in numbering systems, example decimal is the numbers that we use every day. That is 0 to, I will finish off with 15. So, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, as you know, we have 16 digits here. As you know, we can see 16 digits here, and these 16 digits is one word. 16 bits will become one word. Now, in hexadecimal, 0 to 9 is the same, except for 10 will be A, B, C, D, E, and F. As for binary, the first bit is 0, 0, 0, 1, and the last bit will be 1, 1, 1, 1. Or in hexadecimal is F, F, F. Okay, now we talk about addressing. Addressing in PLC, we talk about addressing in PLCs, especially Omron, we always use 16 bits. 16 bits. 16 bit is one word. Okay, so the addressing will be channel 0, channel 1, channel 2, and so forth. And so forth. Now, what we're going to use is channel 0 and channel 1. So, channel 0, we have 16 bits. 16 bits, and that is one word. So, the first channel, the first bit of the channel 0 will be 0, and the last bit of the channel will be 0.15. That is the bit 15. Bit 0 until bit 15. That is 16 bits. Okay. We will talk about next is ladder. Ladder diagram, which is commonly used in Omron. Example is normally open. We have first channel, bit 0. That is channel 0, bit 0, which is normally open, and then we can have normally closed is channel 0, bit 1, and then you can have an output that is channel 1, bit 0. Now, this output we can use it for lighting a lamp or running a motor or a relay or something like that. Now, we assume this as a push button. When we push the button, it will turn on the output because this is normally closed. The current can go through and turn on the output. When we release our hand, it is going to turn off the output. So, in order to keep it on, we are going to latch it. We latch it. This is bit 0 of channel 1. Channel 1, bit 0. This is ladder. Now, once we have done that, our program is clean. We can establish communication to the PLC and download the program and run the program, test the program. We can after that established communication, we can download and do the monitoring. Before we download and do a monitoring, Omron has some features where we can simulate the program. That means we can run the program before downloading into the PLC. So we are going to do all that. As for the uploading procedures, we will do on the next chapter. Okay, so we will go to the PLC now, and we will do these following methods of programming the Omron PLC.